Hi everyone, welcome to last module of session 7. In this module, of course, we will understand the process and the ways to enhance creativity of an individual. So in this session, we have covered the couple of modules to understand entrepreneurial thinking and thought process, how entrepreneurs are very closely related to creativity and innovations. So we thoroughly understood the concept and various facets of creativity in the previous modules. So in this module, as I mentioned, you will understand the creativity process and ways of enhancing creativity. So with this, the objective of this, the module, the learning objective of this module is to understand the creativity process and what are the various steps in this the process and ways of enhancing creativity. Again, so there are certain the stages. No, by understanding that we can see that how we can enhance our creativity, right? So the creativity process has the five important elements. One is the work environment, traits of individual, the four steps of creativity process, brainstorming and divergent thinking. So these are the five aspects of creativity process. Now let us look at one by one. The environment that supports creativity. The size of the team is critical, right? What is the size of the team, and what is the purpose, and what no they are just trying to come out with no the different the plans, and then no the different no new ideas, right? Think about where you came, and no your creative ideas. So think about where you come up with your more creative ideas. So that is one important aspect of here, and a passion for what they were doing, a genuine respect for other ideas also. So that way you can see that very conducive and then congenial environment as a supportive system for creativity. So the second important thing is the traits of creative the people and then the person. The simply believing you are creative, that is a curiosity, confidence and courage and consistency. So these are the four C's one has to have to develop creative thinking and creative thoughts. So they understand the creative process itself. So that is the most important dimensions. So further, if you look at the four steps of creativity process: preparation, incubation, inspirations, and then verifications. Again, we look at each one, right? So preparation is the main thing. When you are looking for creating something, so preparation is must. It's like gathering data and understanding various dimensions. So subject specific and then divergent. Right. So the second one is incubation. Like the steps to achieve alpha states, like the close your eyes and slow deep breathe and focus on the single image. So like that you have to just deeply think about what you are looking for. So that is the incubations. And inspiration is something like be prepared to act and don't waste a good idea. So in that is the way you can see that there are some kind of inspirational ideals, and then the items in the mindset, and then that helps the person to come out with good ideas. So verification is something like the ideas are common. It takes more than verily a good idea. So like that, whenever we have some idea, we need to verify that with our earlier thought process, right? So then the other important thing is the brainstorming. So to practice a conference on a technique by which a group attempt to find out a solution for a specific problem by amazing all the ideas spontaneously contribute by its members, like no criticism whatsoever. The free will is welcome. Then at the same time, no, you need a kind of ideas that better, and the more ideas, the more the better the clarity and the better new things, and building on others' ideas is encouraged. So these are the various issues under the brainstorming, and then cross fertilization of thought process, everything that happens in the in these dimensions. So further, if you look at the convergent and then divergent thinking, so convergent thinking is something like the creative generation of multiple solutions to a given problem. Or in science and engineering, this is the followed by evaluating answers of a choice of optional solutions. That is the divergent. So convergent thinking is the deductive method that generating generation of optimum solution to a given problem, usually where there is a compelling inferences. So like that, you can see the fifth one, convergent divergent thinking. So one has to apply, so to just come out with the final the new idea and new outcome out of the thought process. So then let us just look at the second part, that is the ways of enhancing the personal creativity. Like no accept no there is a no right answer, and don't follow the rules, and be foolish, and ask what it, and think outside your area, and go for ambiguity, and believe in yourself. So these are the seven different aspects which we can use to enhance our creativity. Now let us start with the first one, no right answer. So always we believe that there is no single answer, there is no right answer. So there are multiple answers. Maybe out of all the answers, you will find one best answer, and which is very close to the reality. That idea is taken into considerations. So in that way, you can see that you have to come out with the several answers for a single questions, so that you can find out the best one out of all this. So don't follow the rules. No, at the same time, we make rules based on the reasons that make sense. So we follow these the rules, and time passes, things changes. So the original reasons for the rules no longer exist. So but because of the rules are still in place, so we continue to follow them. So we can see that when the rules are there, we need to question the rules, what for they are and why they are. In that way, you can see that while questioning the rules, and then you can come out with the best way of doing the things in a easiest manner, right? So then you look at this example of rule breaking the creativity. No, the person like Columbus, and the broke the rule that to travel east, no, you can't go west. So like that, you can see that. And Copernicus, and then Einstein, and General Motors, and then like you can see that the many other Henry, this no Henry 8, and then the Bell Labs. So all these are various examples, how they just looked at the rules, and then broken the rules, and came out with a new idea, that ultimately generated a new product, right? So then you can see that the be foolish, like example is thinking against the conventional the flow, like that the fool in Shakespeare's the times, like case, and then areas. You can the 9th century, like the car industry or survival. Like there are many examples that shows that no one has to just question the thumb rules, and then come out with the new thoughts and new ideas, and then always you may be odd man out, and then but you are different, and you are going to add value to the existing system, right? In that context, you can see that ask what if, like if I do that, what will happen. So like that, you can see that the Churchill, and then Machiavelli, and Freud, and then Gandhi, and then Mozart. So all these people, they asked so if we do that, what will happen. Like someone else were solving your the problems for you. So there are many people work for that, and then in that way, you can see that you can be a completely different the person in altogether, right? If you see that now further, thinking outside your area, like thinking out of the box. So like whatever that you are doing, and then instead of doing the same thing in a written manner, and then think out of the box, and then come out with new the practices and new methods, new techniques, so that you can simplify the things, and you can minimize the resources, and then enhance the value by taking the less time. So these are the the results of thinking out of the box and out of area. So that is the another the technique one can use to enhance the creativity. The sixth one is go for the ambiguity. So go for ambiguity in the sense, if you tell people where to go, but not how to get there, so you will be amazed at the result. You can see that George Patton, like American general, you can see that you can tell that what to do, but don't tell that how to do it, because one has to explore the method and mechanism on their own, so that the ambiguity will force the individual to come out with creative thoughts. So that is the benefit of ambiguity. So like the another important thing is the seventh one, and the believe in yourself. Like lack of creativity is a self fulfilling the propensy, as substituted by the research. So you can see that believing oneself by a strong self confidence, that is most important, the part of the creativity from an individual. So in that way you can see that so this is going to give a wonderful result when you believe that. So ultimately you can see that the creativity, the climate is what kind of the situation that is required. You can see there are certain characteristics of a creative climate, like a trustful management, and then open the channels, and then considerable the contract, and then communication with outsiders, a larger variety of personality, the types. You can see that the willingness to accept the change, and enjoyment of experimental the opportunities, and generating new ideas, implementing those new ideas. All these are the various issues that are there, right? The selection and then the promotion of employees on the basis of the merits. Like you can see that there are several characteristics that actually shows the climate or conducive atmosphere so that exists in the organization to come out with the creativity of individual. So in that way you can see that the sufficient the financial and managerial and human, and then time resources for accomplishment of the goals. In that context you can see that individuals are coming out with all types of ideas, right? And finally you can see the 6 tips to help your enhance your creativity is open your mind. The first of all, you must be completely free from all types of issues, like now the open up, and then don't bother anything, and then think whatever that you feel and focus, and then concentrate on that. And diversity is more important. Involve others in your problem solving, and take the silence from others, and the mental the flows, and then relax. So like the stress and exhaustion and the boredom, and then other things that you just keep it aside, and then feel free, and then keep the mind a very pleasant manner, and then start thinking. Like stop looking for the right answer. So don't look at for the right answers, and then you can just come out with multiple answers, so that you can choose out of that which is the best answer for the question or a challenge that is there in front of us, right? Discover your creative rhythm. Like the start paying attention to when you are getting your best ideas. Like so health makes wealth. Ultimately regular exercise not only the benefit for your body, it boosts your brain performance as well. So that is the ultimate thing. These are the six no, the tips, you can say that, which are going to the support the creativity of an individual, so that one can come out with no, the more, and then the valuable the ideas to do the things a different way, to create the value, and then enhance the overall performance of the organizations, right? With this let me the stop here, and thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed the session 7, right? And it's all about the creativity, and then how it is related to entrepreneurship, and then essence, and then the need of creativity in the present context, where we have more emphasis, and then thrust on the quality, and then high end performance. So satisfying the customer. So all the things related to the creativity. So let me stop here, and looking forward to meet you in the session 8, video 36. Thank you very much.